Hello BabyCro! Our today's review is about children's stroller Baby Zen Yoyo. It is super compact and becomes so small in a folded state that you can easily take it to the airplane trips with you, even as a hand luggage. The cover in the kit is destined exactly for this purpose. Besides, it is very convenient and easy to use, being a perfect fit for trips. Let us overview the main characteristics of this cane stroller. 5-point safety belt is used to fix the baby in the stroller. It is adjustable in height by pulling the straps through the holes in the cover, and in length by using the clamps on the belts. To unfasten them, press the central red button. There are belt pads and a pad in the groin area. A soft insert on the seat is fastened to it on Velcro. This is quite convenient. There is no bumper or footrest in the kit. However, there is a plastic step beneath to help the kid comfortably put his feet on it. The whole cover can be removed if there is a need to wash it, since it is fastened on Velcro. You can lower the backrest of the stroller to horizontal position. For that, you need to loosen the clamps behind to the desired position. There is a pocket behind the backrest for knickknackery. You can fasten it to the backrest on Velcro. It covers the space behind the backrest in horizontal position. You cannot take it off completely, since it is a part of the hood. The hood itself is quite large. It consists of two sectors. There is also a canopy which can be hidden inside the hood, but you need to unfasten the strap on the side near the hood to do that. There is another basket behind the backrest for little things. It is made of mesh material. Wheels are made of plastic and single. Front wheels are rotatable, without possibility of blocking. There are springs for better amortization. Rear wheels are equipped with brakes in the form of a red pedal. You can block the wheels by pressing the pedal. You need to raise this pedal to unlock the wheels. In a folded state, the stroller becomes a super compact construction. It is so compact that this feature makes the stroller the only one which is allowed to be taken on the plane as a hand luggage. You need to press two white buttons on both sides of the hood for this, and lower the handle down to the maximum until fixing. Then you need to press the blocker below, under the seat. Press the red key afterwards at the same location, and fold the stroller until complete folding. It automatically fixes and becomes compact. The stroller kit includes a cover which you can use to carry the stroller on board. To unfold the stroller, just lift the handle up, then unfold it with a jerk. Baby Zen Yoyo is very small and compact. You can carry it on your shoulder and take it on board while traveling by plane. It is a good variant for planning a journey with your kid. You will easily handle it, while the baby will feel comfortable. Perfect formula. You can find more details about the stroller by following the links in the description below. Thanks for being with us today. We work for you. Subscribe to our channel and keep track of the latest news.